Hello friends, welcome to your own channel, Noiseless Investment. Here we try to decode a company based on the fundamentals and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Please note I am not a SEBI registered advisor and these are my personal views based on the fundamentals of the stock. So kindly do your due diligence and consult your financial advisor uh, before investing in the stock. So the idea is to mute the noise that is actually created by the operators, and as a result, the gullible retail investors fall prey to. If you like my initiative, then kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. Today, we are going to do a fundamental analysis of TGV Shark. So this is the website of TGV Shark, popularly known as TGVSL, and you can go through the website and get to know more about this company as to what they are doing. Okay, now let's move on to the fundamentals. And here we see that TGV Shark Limited, the current market price of this stock is 107 and it was down by 0.01%. As a disclaimer, this stock is in my portfolio. This is a part of my portfolio stock. So this I'm giving you as a disclaimer. Now, the current market cap of this company is 1150 and the stock PE is 3.18 and the industry PE is 8.38. So it is cheaper than the industry PE. If we look into the ROCE, so the ROCE is good and it ranges between 17.9 and 37.8. If we look into the ROE, then the ROE ranges between 16.4 and 40.4. If we look into the face value is 10. The dividend yield is 0. It does not give you any dividends. The debt on the company is 0.22, which is less than the 0.5% mark. And the interest coverage ratio is 17. The current ratio is 1.44, which means that the company management is very efficient in managing the cash that they are having. The promoters holding is 63.2, which is good about this company. The FII's holding is 1.05 and they have reduced their holding by 0.05%. The DII's holding is 0.02 and there is no change in the DII's holding. So the pledge percent is 0.3, which is all right because it should be less than at least 2%. If the sales growth CAGR is 52.5, which is extremely good. The profit growth CAGR is 170%, which is extremely good about this company. Now, if we look into the EPS, so earning per share is 33.8, which is good. And so each stock of TGVSL, it is creating 33.8 rupees for you in a year. If we look into the operating profit margin, it is 23.1. So they are taking 23.1 rupees in their pocket out of every 100 rupees earned. Now, the dividend yield is 2.96. So this stock is not a very good dividend player. This company is not a very good dividend player. And if we look into the 1.07, which is all right, which is good. If we look into the ROIC, it is 28.4%, which is well above the rate at which the banks give you the FDs or the mutual fund actually gives you the return. The return on invested capital is 28.4, which is good. The Altman Z score is 4.49 and the Piotrowski score is perfect 9. So it has got 9 out of 9. If you look into this thing, return over 1 month, it is 9% above. If you look into the return over 1 week, it is 8.52%, and return over 1 day is 0.1%. Now, let's look into, so the stock is in uptrend. The only thing is like there was a profit booking today and it fell by 0.01% today. Now let's look into the beta of what does not provide you the beta. So that has not been assigned here. Now let's look into the stock score. Then the stock score is perfect 10 out of 10. So this makes the stock a very desirable one. So if we look into the earning, it is no rating has been given over here. The fundamentals is 9, relative valuation is 4 is 10, the risk is 4, and price momentum is 9. Now let's look into the chart structure of TGVSL. So here we find that the volume was high today and the stock fell at this level. So it tried to reach over here 100 and the 10. So you see the gap has been covered here. However, the gap has been covered here at this level at around 95 level of 95, and the stock is actually consolidating at this range. So there is a spinning top that has been that is formed here. So if there will be and the volume is high, so the price is falling and the volume is high, so there is a fair probability that the stock may fall. However, if we look into the RSI, then the RSI is coming out to be 62.26. So it is still bullish, and the black line is well above the red line. So yes, if there is a red candle formed here or a green candle formed here, so nothing can be said about this stock as of now. However, as per the data that is available, so it seems that the stock is in uptrend. However, please consult your financial advisor before investing in this stock. I don't have a buy or sell recommendation for this one. Now let's look into the fair value for TGVSL. Value of TGVSL is coming out to be 155.16, and the current price is 107.37. So there is a potential upside of 44.5%, which is there. The spread can be between 142 and 174. These are the pros and cons of this company. You can go through this and get to know more about this company. Thank you for listening. Have a great day, and in case you like my initiative, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. Thank you for now.